This question was asked at JEST 2020. Okay, the question is: a steam engine takes steam from a boiler at 200 degrees Celsius. Its pressure is 1.5 into 10 to the power 6 Pascal, and it exhausts directly into the air at 100 degrees Celsius. The pressure is 10 to the power 5 Pascal. The maximum possible efficiency is. Okay, this is the question. So, what is the formula of efficiency? To find efficiency, the formula is to find efficiency. To find efficiency, the formula is eta equals to 1 minus T2 by T1. It is the formula to find efficiency. Okay, we have to multiply it by 100, so we can get the percentage. Okay, to get percentage, how much percent it's efficient. Okay, to get percentage. So in this problem, mm, in this problem, T2 means final temperature. Okay, T2 is how much? T2 is 100 degrees Celsius. T2 is 100 degrees Celsius, and T1 is initial temperature. What is initial temperature? 200 degrees Celsius. Okay, 200 degrees Celsius. What is 100 degrees Celsius? 100 degrees Celsius is 373 Kelvin, and 200 degrees Celsius is 473 Kelvin. If we convert it in Kelvin, then the efficiency is eta equals to 1 minus 473 by 373. Okay, that is 0.2114. So how many percent? How much percent is this? If we convert it in percentage, for percentage, the efficiency is 0.2114 into 100. Okay, it is approximately 21%. So the correct answer is 21%. This question is asked on JEST 2022. Hope you understand the question.